What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have VZ102668, and these are our Vicrez square tips, and these are replacement square tips for your Chrysler 300, and it fits 2016 to 2023 models if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, honestly love these square tips. I love the design of them and the fact that they're chrome. Let me go ahead and get this open and I can show you guys. Now we do saran wrap them because they are chrome. We try not to get fingerprints all over them. Now, here you can see the chrome. It should pop out pretty well in camera. And then you can see all the mounting points along the back edge. And there's quite a few for different types of Chryslers, different makes and models, you know. I hope that's picking it up well in camera. Oh, same for the other one. Now that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more exhaust tips just like these or some of our other stuff like complete exhaust kits, then go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and maybe hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.